Wait a minute. Okay, there it is. Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
Where are we going?
We're going to dump and then take it to Neely Covey to get the oil changed, the water fuel separators changed, the fuel filter changed, and the air filter changed.
Alright, and this is what it looks like when it's closed in. See, I can still get to the refrigerator and the bathroom. This is why I did not want a fifth wheel, because I wanted to be able to get up and go to the restroom if I needed to. When we get diesel, you're going to have to clean the windows. That's what guys do, right?
Okay, I guess so.
Okay.
Now you married me to something.
I did marry you for a reason. So we are in Tennessee, and we are headed to Madison, Alabama, I guess it is. Covey Neely or Neely Covey. We love those people. They do a fantastic job.
Scott is our
Go-to guy.
Go-to guy, really good guy.
If you need your oil change or your generator service, if you need any kind of servicing on the engine or the generator, go to Covey Neely or Neely Covey.
Neely Covey, but they are the Freightliner. They're Freightliner people, so they're the service center for Freightliner. So they're the actual ones that a lot of people have got Freightliner chassis, but they work on anything. But you see how quiet it is in this motorhome. This kitchen is very quiet.
It's solid. It just feels solid.
Yeah.
So we're excited. We're excited to get the oil changed and everything done so that we can start off fresh. We keep all the books on all of our vehicles. Always have. Makes them worth more if something happens, or if you get ready to sell. So y'all are along for the ride. Take it.
We don't have Buzz because it's like you tell him that he doesn't have Buzz. The microphone's facing you.
Okay. That'd be awful if it came out, wouldn't it? Okay. Ah, I see what you're going to do. You're going to put it down through there and up through there. That's perfect. You is a smart man. All right, now, I usually put my foot on this just to keep it in place. Yeah, y'all probably don't want to see that, but at least you can see it all coming out.
The black tank first.
Yeah, use the black tank first.
And we'll rinse the hose out and everything with the gray tank.
You got plenty of. When the screen goes black, it's still taping? Yeah.
Yeah. Tap it and come back.
Okay, I did. Y'all, that's a whole lot of mess. I saw a video on, I can't remember where it was, one of the things that had the guy, it spilt all over his face. He had gotten up underneath it. Nasty. And it wasn't on the movie, it was real life. You can see it starting to slow down. We were only 2/3 full. But this is a great place to stop and do this. Lift up on it so it all goes down. I know, but if you lift up on it, then Ah, you must have got it all stuck. Go back. Go backwards.
Alright, great day.
All right, now you can see the difference. The water's running clean. And that cleans out your hose. We have actually seen people take the water hose from this place and stick it down in their hose and rinse out their black, the black water out of there. And that's so nasty.
You never know who's filling up their tank from right here.
Well, we aren't.
That, you know,
Yeah, see, there's a place you can fill up your water tanks from here, but I wouldn't use their hose at all.
I wouldn't use that.
No. Luckily for us, we've got a place to get water. See that clean water coming out?
That should be gray tank.
Yep, gray tank. So he's going to teach me how to do all this. You better,
Hold it up.
it appears to be all done. Turn it off, it's good. Yes, I didn't think about that. You see how he's rinsing the rest of the way out? Look at that. He's so smart. Hey, you so smart. I love this guy. He does all the hard work. Make sure that's on good. Hey, could you put that over here on this side? No, never mind. And that is it.
Now I'm washing my hands.
You're gonna have to do it inside, I think. Here, we need a new paper towel thing. And we are done. Yeah. He don't like nasty. Okay, we're coming up on, I don't know if y'all can, Neely Covey. Let me see if I can get this. Hopefully y'all are going to see it. See it over there? These people are some of the best people that we have found with our RV. So we're going to be going right there. There's another Phaeton out there. We're going to be going right there. And we are going to get the oil change. That's all we're having done, right? The oil
change,
water
fuel separator.
Water fuel separator.
Filter, maybe the air filter.
Maybe the air filter and the fuel filter. So, we'll go there. And this is where you get off. Swancott Road, south. And since we're getting here at 1:30, oh, don't let me forget that wire. We won't be listening to our book on CD. I mean on iPad. Anyway, once we're getting here so late that we're gonna take some stuff out of the RV in case they have to keep it overnight. If they do, we'll come back and get it tomorrow or the next day.
All right, this is Greenbrier's restaurant. Been here for as long as I've been alive. It doesn't look like Greenbrier's, and if you don't know what this is, you probably would miss it. It is Greenbrier's Barbecue. You can see here, the sign doesn't even say it.
Okay, so Greenbrier's has been here since as long as I can remember. I grew up in Huntsville, and this is on the outskirts of Huntsville, in Madison, off of Old Highway 20. It is a hole-in-the-wall, but great barbecue. So if you get a chance, come by Greenbrier's on Old Highway 72, Madison, Highway 20. Cut that out. Come by Greenbrier's on Old Highway 20 in Madison, Alabama. You won't be sorry.
Well, we's hungry. We were hangry, but we ain't hangry no more. We got full at the Greenbrier Cafe.
And we got a whole plate, 2 plates full coming home with us.
That's right. Oh, good Lord.
I may have gone off the curb.
You did, I think. Look at it.
No, it's
Oh,
that far.
but you can see it. It's the Greenbrier sign. Man. Woo-wee.
When you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? I ran with you through our high school halls. You're the prettiest girl there ever was. Annie, darling, you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet you. Caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks